a lot of my questions will be very pertinent to someone that is in the healthcare industry. But when you're a consumer, you don't sometimes understand that these big conflicts are happening. You hope your healthcare provider wants you to be healthy, and your insurance company is going to take care of you in times of difficulty, and your attorney's going to protect you. And meanwhile, you have these overlapping interests that they're kind of battling over, behind the scenes, I guess.
There's a lot of issue that takes place behind the scenes, and it goes, and that's billing and coding, as well as on the Medicare end. There are different, in the spectrum of insurance carriers, there are different types of coverage. There is entitlement programs such as Medicare, VA benefits, TRICARE, Medicaid. Then also there's on commercial insurance, there's policies, Blue Cross Blue Shield, United Healthcare, you're very familiar with, as well as then there's no fault insurance, which is under the Florida Motor Vehicle No Fault Act, which has certain other coverages. So all these different insurance areas cover different people with different benefits. And so when somebody gets treated and there's billing done, that billing will justify either payment and reimbursement for the person for their claim, which in a no fault BI personal injury area would justify and support claims for damages. If you're injured and you're hurt, the amount of money you would get compensated back would be based upon how much treatment you received, what the cost of the treatment would be, as well as what your future damages would be. On the commercial end, reimbursement would go to you go into your primary care physician, and then they get reimbursed for seeing you for your cold or for your your cardiac checkup or your basic health care or surgeries. And then Medicare obviously covers a large portion of senior citizens with governmental benefits. It's an entitlement, not an insurance program. There's a slight difference there. And the government program reimburses for the same care that the commercial insurance policies would reimburse for. But obviously it's under the regulation and rules of Medicare and the government.